Hey guys, JD here. At the heart of every personal watercraft is a jet pump, and these jet pumps produce thrust and propulsion with an impeller. When your impeller becomes damaged or worn beyond the wear limit, you're left with two options. Either spend hundreds and hundreds on a new one, or send your old one out to the guys at Impros for a complete restoration. Impros can turn your impeller from this to this in just a few weeks. I had heard great things about the team at Impros, so I wanted to send an impeller in for myself to see what they could really do. This impeller from a Kawasaki Ultra 310 is made of stainless steel and had over 150 hours on it. Despite the fact that the impeller looks okay, it has cavitation burns and had reached its wear limit. For the Impros flagship work service, impellers are repaired and meticulously welded and machined on the leading and trailing edges to restore an extremely close tolerance with the jet pump. Outer blades are sharpened and angles are blueprinted to spec. Custom pitching can be performed for an extra charge. Impros offers their recreational finish standard, but serious enthusiasts may opt for the smooth and polished race finish. All impellers are then balanced to within 0.2 of a gram. So here is an OEM Kawasaki impeller. This one's got about 100 hours on it. But this was my old impeller. It had all kinds of damage. I sent it to Impros. They not only welded it and repitched it to my custom spec, but they gave it this awesome race polish. I mean, look how shiny that is. This is the OEM. You can see it's very matte. This is the Impros, and I'll give you another look. They really did an awesome job, and you can see it's very sharp too, so you got to be very careful. But you can see that that's an OEM Kawasaki impeller. The process is really easy. Get started by going to www.impros.com. They've got a great website, and you can get jet pump rebuild kits, new impellers and parts for PWCs, jet boats, and even flyboards. They've got an industry-leading selection of hard-to-find and custom parts for almost every make and model of jet pump and personal watercraft. When it comes to impeller service, they've got different packages to meet every budget. Whether you're looking for their rocked service, which is designed primarily to fix impellers that have been dinged or lightly damaged, or their more intensive Stage 1 and Stage 2 packages, they've got something for every budget and every type of impeller repair. For serious recreational riders and professional racers alike, I recommend the work service from Impros. This is their most intensive flagship service designed to help you achieve the ultimate performance out of your impeller. If you can't decide which package to get, Impros will help you decide. Just open their shipping form, fill out the information, print this form out, and ship your impeller out to Impros in California. It cost me about $25 to ship my impeller from Florida to California, and I got the finished impeller back in under 3 weeks. So before you toss this in the trash, I highly recommend you check out Impros, send them your old damaged impeller. They will make it look better than new. And I gotta tell you guys, Glen is a genius. We asked for 3/1000ths, which is like as tight as we could get this. And this feeler gauge is so thin. It's even a bit tighter than that, but it's perfect. So whether you're a recreational rider looking to have your damaged impeller repaired, or a serious professional rider looking to have your impeller repitched and blueprinted to meet your performance goals, Impros are the guys to do it. I highly recommend them. They do an absolutely incredible, top-rate job. Check them out at www.impros.com. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.